EBT cards at Walmart self-checkout only work when the register is set to accept SNAP payments and the items in your cart are eligible, because non-eligible items will block the transaction at the final step. By the end, you'll know exactly how to use EBT at Walmart self-checkout, what items are covered, and the mistakes that cause payment failures. Here's the process. First, make sure your cart only contains EBT-eligible items if you want a smooth checkout. SNAP benefits usually cover approved food items, while things like household supplies or hot prepared foods are not eligible and can stop the payment from going through. Next, go to a Walmart self-checkout kiosk and start scanning your items like normal. The system will track which items are eligible for EBT and which are not, so you don't have to separate everything manually, but it helps if you already know what qualifies. When you're ready to pay, tap the payment screen and select EBT card as your payment method. At this point, you'll insert or swipe your EBT card depending on the terminal type. The system will automatically apply your SNAP balance to eligible items first. If there are non-eligible items in your cart, those will need to be paid using a second payment method, like a debit or credit card. Now here's where most issues happen. If the transaction declines, it's usually because either the card has insufficient SNAP balance, or there are too many non-eligible items mixed into the order. The system cannot complete a clean split unless the payment is handled in the correct order. Another common issue is PIN entry. Your EBT card requires a PIN, just like a debit card, and entering it incorrectly will block the transaction immediately. If everything is correct, the receipt will show a breakdown of what was paid using EBT and what was paid using another method if applicable. The key idea is simple. EBT works at self-checkout, but only for eligible items, and only when the payment split is handled correctly. Summary. EBT can be used at Walmart self-checkout for eligible SNAP items. Non-eligible items must be paid separately. And most errors come from mixing item types or entering the wrong PIN. Next step is simple. Before checkout, check your cart for eligible items so your payment goes through without interruptions. If you want more simple Walmart payment guides like this, subscribe for more clear walkthroughs.